Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a basic tutorial on how to play the Blox Fruits game on Roblox. Okay, let's play with me guys. I'm also a beginner, and when the first time you join the game, you need to start a quest guys. You can go to this quest location, the bandit quest giver. Just interact with this NPC and then you can select bandits, and then this is the quest. You need to defeat 5 bandits, and for the level required is 0, and you will get money after you complete the quest. Okay, I'm going to confirm, and I'm going to show you guys how you can defeat the bandits. You're going to look for the bandits right here and click on this punch icon. Okay, and then you can defeat the bandit like this. You just need to punch this bandit. Okay, and then you will earn money. Okay, let's defeat the second bandits. Okay, just like this guys, and it will increase your level. And all you need to do here is just defeating the bandits until you can unlock new location. You will get notification after you finish the level right here. If I'm not mistaken, after level 10 you will get a notification to move from this island. Okay, and I need to defeat one more bandit. Okay, just like this guys. And after you can move to another place, you will get compass like this, and I need to go to the jungle to do the next quest. Thank you guys, and that's all about the basic tutorial on how to play the Blox Fruits on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.